Hi, fifth grade. It's Friday, review week 4, and we're talking about line plots and reading data on the line plot today. This line plot is about Delia and her garden. So Delia measured the height of each flower in her garden, and then she plotted that data here on our graph, our line plot. All of these stand for the height of flowers in feet. So we've got 1/4 is on our small end of the timeline and 1.5 feet on the larger end of our timeline. And we're going to answer these questions based on the information in our line plot here. How many flowers were 3/4 of a foot tall? Okay, I'm going to come to here to 3/4. I'm just going to count my X's up above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 flowers were 3/4 of a foot tall. How many flowers were more than 1 foot tall? More, I'm going to have to go to this side of my 1 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers were larger than 1 feet. You're going to answer the last 3 questions based on the information on your line plot. This is a kind of a quick one today, so get that done. Enjoy your Friday.